He's building early, but aiming to scale through a proven playbook. This is a North Carolina-based operator working with Chicken Shack's House, a developing franchise concept still in its early growth stage. The model is straightforward. Use a system that's already been figured out instead of starting from zero. The core idea is execution, not invention. Franchising reduces uncertainty. The processes, operations, and business model are already tested. That makes it easier for new operators, especially those coming from non-business backgrounds. It also improves access to capital. Banks are more willing to fund a proven concept than an untested idea. In this case, the operator is both a franchisee and a franchisor. He runs his own location while also working to expand the brand by bringing in new partners. The operator's role is to follow the system, run daily operations, and scale across units once the first location is stable. Growth strategy is simple. The first store is the hardest. After that, expansion becomes easier as credibility and financial backing increase. However, the business is still in its early phase, which means the concept is not yet fully proven at scale. In this model, success depends on validating the first unit, then repeating the system efficiently across multiple locations.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.